Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 3 healthy and delicious muffin recipes for breakfast or lunchbox ideas, which are really quick and easy to make. So I hope you guys like it. Let's go right into the video. For the first recipe, you will need 1 carrot, 1 zucchini and half of onion, and then shred the zucchini and the carrot and chop the onion into small pieces. Then add some salt to the onion to become softened. After that, we have to squeeze it all to get rid of the fluids. Or if you don't want to squeeze it, you have to add more oats, as I am doing in the next step. Now I am adding 4 tablespoons of oats. As I said guys, if you don't want to squeeze the vegetables, you have to add more oats on it. And add some salt, some paprika and black pepper. You can add more spices if you want. And add 4 eggs and mix it well. I'm also gonna add half teaspoon of baking soda. Just mix it and that's all. And then just spread some butter on cupcake tray before molding it. Now we're gonna start the second recipe. You will need 1 cup of parsley, 1/3 cup of green onion, 3 tablespoons of oats and 3 eggs. And add some salt, black pepper, and you can add more spices if you want. Mix it well and then add some baking soda and mix it again. So we're gonna do the same thing guys with our recipes as we did in the first one. Just spread some butter before add the mixture on baking tray. And for the last recipe, you will need 1 cup of halloumi cheese, 2 tablespoons of black olives, some salt, baking soda, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of oats, and 3 eggs. Mix it well, and then you can add some oregano or dried thyme. And then put it in the oven on 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Depends on your oven. Just keep watching it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and hit the notification bell to receive all future videos. Let me know in the comment below about your opinion, and see you in the next video. Bye!